Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. And while this other video was loading about the blend having fun, I thought I would play around with what I'm going to call a double blend. And I'm not impressed with it, but I thought I'm going to try it one more time. And this time I'm going to use some different colors. Let's go with a green. And then I'm going to I'm going to change my nudge factor to 1 inch. And I'm going to hit the plus sign and go 1 inch. I actually hit and moved it down and over. And then make another plus sign and move it over. Now, I'm going to take my, I'm going to change my nudge factor to 13 inches to get it out of the way. And I'm going to take that middle one and hit the plus sign and move it over. And hit the plus sign and move it over. And that doesn't look right, but I think it is. You know what? I only need 2 of them. Let me just delete this. No, I need 3 for what I'm doing. Let me color these in with red or a different color and move them over. Okay, that's what I want. So we don't need this third green over here. Let me do this again. Yep, this is what we want. So now I'm going to take that green and I'm going to make it a yellow. And let me get to a better yellow. And we want it on the back of the page. So we're going to grab the yellow, go up to Object, Order, Back of Page. Now we want this one, we're going to turn it that yellow. And we actually want it in the front of the page. And now we're going to take this red and make it that green. So instead of trying to find that green, we can go to the eyedropper tool, sample that green, and make that green. Now I'm going to grab these 2 and I'm going to blend them 35 times. Now I'm going to grab these 2 and blend them 35 times. Now if this works, it ought to look pretty good. Now I'm going to go to Order, Back of Page. What it did, and this does look better than the other, especially if you took that one and put say in this case, a black outline on it, or even another color. I don't know that we can grab the bottom one. Let's put that black outline on it. Just make it more than 1 point, and then hit OK. Now let's grab this one and try to grab that very bottom blend and do the same thing. Of course, it's putting it on top, but that should be hidden when we nudge it back over. Whoop. And this is just playing. I don't like that. For some reason, I put an outline on the bottom of it, which I don't like. So let's put this back. Anyway, that's just playing around. Double blend. And then again, if we do what we did earlier with a blue, like on a blue shirt, put it back. Sorry about that. Put it back. Go to Object, Order, Back of Page. It really makes it look like it's standing off that if it was a t-shirt. I guess we've gone too thick because the blend in the middle are kind of, but you get the idea. You could blend more than one object 2 different ways. So we got a yellow band around it. I would like to keep the video going and try to figure out how we could, if we can go, I'm just playing. If you want to quit watching, please do. I'm going to break the blend apart, go up to object and ungroup. And then let's take the boundary tool and make a boundary around it. Is it going to show in our blend? No. Let's take the boundary, nudge it over. Sorry about that. And let's make it a black and something other than a hairline. Put it back, nudge that back over. We're going to put it to the back of the page. Once you're still checked on it. No, didn't really do it. It does have a black background, but you can't see it on the blue shirt. Oh, you know why? Because we need to put the blue again on the back order, back of page again. That makes it a little bit better. And as you can tell, I'm just playing. And I could have made that boundary yellow. Pretty cool. Anyway, just playing. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.